To evaluate CreditSaint credit report analysis, start by understanding what CreditSaint offers. CreditSaint is a credit repair company that provides a detailed analysis of your credit report. The first step is to obtain your credit report from CreditSaint, which will include information from the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Next, review the credit report analysis provided by CreditSaint, looking for errors, inaccuracies, and negative marks. Check for any accounts that are not yours, incorrect payment history, or credit inquiries you do not recognize. Make a list of any discrepancies you find. Now, evaluate the credit score calculation, ensuring it is accurate and based on the information in your credit report. CreditSaint will also provide recommendations for improving your credit score, such as paying off debt, reducing credit utilization, or disputing errors on your report. When evaluating the analysis, consider the following key concepts: credit utilization ratio, payment history, credit age, and credit mix. These factors will impact your credit score, so it is essential to understand how they are calculated and how you can improve them. For example, if you have a high credit utilization ratio, CreditSaint may recommend paying off debt to reduce this ratio and improve your credit score. Similarly, if you have a limited credit history, CreditSaint may suggest opening new credit accounts or becoming an authorized user on someone else's account to improve your credit mix. To get the most out of CreditSaint's analysis, follow best practices such as regularly monitoring your credit report, disputing errors promptly, and making on-time payments. By doing so, you can improve your credit score and enjoy better financial health. In conclusion, evaluating CreditSaint credit report analysis requires a thorough review of your credit report, understanding of key credit concepts, and a plan to improve your credit score. By following these steps and best practices, you can make informed decisions about your credit and work towards a stronger financial future.